Well, good evening, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. So I welcome everyone to day 2 demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So yesterday we have demo class 1, and in that demo class, I have explained you these aspects team. Like we have seen, first of all, introduction to ERP, and then I explained you what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Like when this Fusion applications introduced in the market. First of all, what is this Fusion application is about? And in that, what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are? If any company buy this product, for what purpose they will be using this product? That all we have seen team. And then the background of the Fusion applications. Prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the existing ERP products we have in the market? And when Oracle acquired them, and when Oracle launched Fusion applications into the market, these all things I explained you here, team. And then I explained you types of companies involved, like who is the vendor, who is the client or the customer, who is the consulting company. Once we learn this technology, in what sort of companies that we will be working, on what purpose, that we have discussed here, team. And then I spoke about Fusion environment releases. I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the market. Since then, what are the release versions? What is the first release version that Oracle came up in the market? That is R1. Since then, till today, we are in 2024, October 30 today, team. Till today, what is the Fusion environment releases we have in the application? And what is the upgradation policy that Oracle following? Quarterly upgradation, I told you, right? We spoke about that here, team. And then I explained you what are all the modules we have in this particular Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Here I introduced to you what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and then I also explained you as part of this program, what all concepts that we are going to cover, right? And then we have seen career opportunities in this technology team. Once you learn this, what sort of roles that you will be recruited, what type of companies and what sort of job opportunities are there for freshers or for experienced people, and who are eligible to learn this course. These all things we discussed yesterday, team. Actually, I planned for these two things also to cover: Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification process. But already we extended the time, close to 2 hours we had the demo yesterday, team. I didn't got the time to take up those topics. And I concluded yesterday's demo with why to choose TrioTech software trainings, right? What benefits that you will be getting as part of this program that we discussed, team. Now today, in this day 2, I will be talking about Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification process, team. Post these, I will introduce to you the Fusion HCM Cloud applications, how the Fusion applications will be there. When any company buy this product, how they can access Fusion application, the main home screen functionalities, that all we will be talking today, team. So let me move on to the very first concept for today, that is Oracle Knowledge Repository. What is this Oracle Knowledge Repository, team? I told you, as part of the course enrollment, you all will be getting access to the materials, team. For every module that we are going to learn, you will be getting the user manuals, the user guides, Okay, everything you will be getting, I told you, the custom materials, what we prepared. But if you want to explore Oracle standard documentation team, where we can able to find them, if you want to explore Oracle standard documents team, let us see that. Because when you learning any technology, we should be ready with all the weapons team. When you're going for a war, you have to be ready with all the weapons, right? So when you are learning something, you have to be ready with your repository, documentation part also. Whatever that I am providing you, on top of that, if you want to self-explore, where you can go and study, where Oracle standard materials we can access with respective to this technology, let us see team. Not only that, I will be introducing to you release notes also. Yesterday I was telling, right, in the quarterly upgradation policy, every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their application team, I told you some new enhancements, some new functionalities Oracle will brings in the system team. So as a implementation consultant, when you are working in the real-time projects, you should also grow along with the application team. When I say grow along with the application, every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in each module, we should also get that updated by our self team. Okay. So where we can access for every quarter, now 24D came team. In this release, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in? Oracle prepare a detailed document team and it will be delivered to the customer. How we can access that? Let us get into the system and understand team. Just go to any browser and type as Oracle repository. Type as Oracle repository. Just go to your Google Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, anything. Type as Oracle repository. So when you type, okay, team, is the issue for everyone or only with Amar? Does my voice having any breaks or is it clear, team?
You good?
It's clear.
Clear. Anyone else? Majority, can you please confirm so that I will continue?
It's clear. It's clear.
It's clear, sir.
Clear.
Amar,
Clear.
I think some issue with your internet or something. Check your bandwidth
It's
once.
clear.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for confirming. Yeah. Thanks, Amar. Yeah. So just
It's
go
clear.
to the browser team and then type as Oracle repository. When you type as Oracle repository team, you will be landing upon this Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Applications team. Okay, oracle.com, the first result. Go to this team. Okay, you will land upon this page. Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Application. Here, search by product. Click on Cloud Applications team. We learning Oracle Fusion Cloud. So go to Cloud Applications team here, and then you will land upon this page, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. Now here we have many products coming up team. Yesterday, I thought of telling this, but someone at the end of the class, Harris or someone was asking me, Kumar, in Fusion, we have other products also. Yes, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is a HR related software application team. Similarly, under Oracle Fusion ERP, Oracle having different products team. See, if you see this slide, you will understand. Fusion applications product family. We have Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management. We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud. We have Oracle Fusion CRM, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, SCM Cloud, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management team. We have different products available under Fusion Applications team. We are learning about HCM, HR related software application team. But under Fusion, we have different other products also available team. So when you come to this particular page, Fusion Cloud Application Suite, you will be getting all that application stream. See, under this ERP, financials, accounting hub, procurement, project management, then we have supply chain, SCM, then we have our HCM, sales, that is CRM, all product documentation you can able to access team. The web link is what team? docs.oracle.com. Many people will think that, Kumar, to access these applications, you might be working with Oracle. You have Oracle Cloud account with you. No. Did I logged in anything here? If I keep my cursor right side here, team, on the account button, it is asking me to sign in here. It's an open forum for everyone. But the only thing is the right navigation people don't follow. Oracle given these documents as an open source. Just you can browse it correctly and you can access this. People who attending the class from laptops, try it out. You can able to access this team. Okay. Once you come here, team, our product is HCM. Come to HCM here and then go to human resources team here. Okay. Then you will land upon this page, Oracle Human Resources 24D, the latest version team. Here on the left hand side, we have something called all books. Go to all books here team. Here you can access team. Filter. You want implementation guides. You want administration guides. You want user guides. What you want. You can filter accordingly team. I want implementation guides. First of all, we should learn how to configure the system as per the client requirement. Implementation guides we want team. Go to implementation option and here all module documents team. Whatever the modules we have in our HCM, whatever I told team here yesterday, we have different modules in HCM, right? Core HR or global HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, benefits. See team, when I come here, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, implementing compensation, implementing global HR, implementing payroll, implementing help desk module. For payroll, yesterday, someone asked me, I exactly can't recollect her name. Kumar, which payroll you will be talking us in the training us. So I had told, right? So we have different legislation specific documents for payroll team. Everything you can able to access, time and labor, everything. So if you go to any document team, I want core HR implementation document team. Just click on this PDF here, then you will be landing upon that. 394 page document team. This is Oracle Standard Global HR Implementation Guide. A detailed description team. Every functionality. What is that? An explanation. It's a theoretical guide. But following this will just eat your brain. You will be burdened team. Just use it as a reference purpose. Follow the material that what I am providing you. That will be straightforward, crisp and short. But this is standard document team. If you want to download, you can even download also team. So from here, you can access Oracle documents for every module team. Then if you come to videos here, small bites in every new release, what new enhancements Oracle bringing in, some important enhancements in every module team, small 2 minutes, 3 minutes bites Oracle will upload here. This is not useful to you, but if you want to explore, someone out of curiosity, if they want to explore more things, then you can get these small bites for every module, for compensation, for benefits, for absences. Okay, everything you can able to explore team. And the most important point, why I'm explaining all this, documents you can access from all books team. but I told you quarterly upgrade. Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their application team, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. Here, when you come to this page team, just above all books, we have something called cloud readiness slash what's new. Go to what's new. What's new? You should know here, team. Go to what's new, and then you can filter product wise. By default, human capital management got picked up team. Then you can select the release team. Latest means 24D. If you want past releases team, previous, keep filter as previous team. Okay. Prior to 24D, we have 24C. All that documents for every module we can check out team. So you can filter what you want. I want latest one. And then in the view button, you can select team, which product area, human resource, and then team benefits module. This is for compensation module. This is common futures. And this is for human resource, means global HR module team. So you can filter it accordingly for which module you want to explore, payroll, talent, like that team. Then I'm going to human resources, what's new 24D. If I click on that team, I will be landing upon the page here for human resources. If I expand team and if I expand my global HR, what all functionalities Oracle bringing in the system? See, bulk revoke of shared data access. In 24D release, in core HR module, some new functionality Oracle brought in team. What is that? In which screen that functionality coming? Like that. For everything team. See, next feature is this one. Auto provision areas of responsibility improvements. What is that feature? Explanation of that feature. In which screenshot in which screen that impact is going to be there. The screenshot of that also will be given team. For everything you can explore. In core HR, we have document of record concept team. What is that new feature in that team? Personalized Redwood mass download of document record using business rules team. So what is that new feature came in that screen? Every module like this, Oracle will give the release notes team. In the new upgrade, what features Oracle brings in? Every quarter, when upgrade is about to come, when you come to your what's new team, you can able to fetch all the details of that enhancements team. So you can explore by yourself and you can get up to date. Now you might feel, what are all this? But once you start working in the projects, 2 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, just you will scroll down and you can identify, okay, this screen, this functionality coming. Okay, fine. Because you will be habituated to the screens, right? So this is something very important team. Oracle Knowledge Repository. Accessing standard Oracle documents for every module and also accessing the release notes for every quarterly upgrade team. So this is the navigation that you have to follow team. Okay. Now, let me introduce to you the concept of certification in the Fusion system. Today also, someone was asking me morning when I'm having a call with that person, Kumar, certification, what is the process we have? I told that in today's class, I will be explaining you. Some person, Kishore or Kranti, exactly I can't recollect, but someone was asking me. So what is the certification process in Fusion HCM Cloud? Is it really required to do to get a job in this domain or technology? Let us understand, team. See, in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, okay, this is a technology we are going to learn about, right? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Let us talk about Oracle certification process. Okay. When I say certification process team, this is the tool that what we're going to learn. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. For the entire application, we don't have any certification team. Module wise, Oracle offering the certification team. For example, you take core HR module team. For core HR, we have an exam name called Oracle, okay, Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation, okay, specialist. Okay, there is an examination paper name called Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. For absence module, if you want to do certification team, Oracle Cloud Absence Management, okay, Oracle Cloud Absence Management Implementation Specialist, okay, Implementation Specialist. Like this team, for each module, Oracle conducting the certification exam team. There is no common certificate for entire application at one shot you can write. No. Each module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. For technical concepts, we don't have any separate certification team. Within the functional only, they will be also covered. So for every module, the certification name and certification code will be. For core HR, the code is IZO 1046/24. As we are in 2024, the latest paper is 2024. Then for absence management also team, IZO 1056 or 54, something the code is there. For every module, Oracle conducting the certification exam team. There is no common certification. Before telling, is it required? Let me tell the process how we can write the exam team. If anyone want to write the certification exam after the training, okay, if you are ready, how you can apply and what is the cost incurred team? Basically, to book the examination team, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. If any one of you prepared for abroad studies team, let's say for masters in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, you might be listening the English proficiency exams, right? IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, Pearson test, like that. So Pearson test centers are available in the market across different cities team. They do conduct examinations on behalf of many companies team. Oracle also partnered with a company called View Pearson. If you go to internet team and if you search with that company name, View Pearson, see Pearson View, the first link will be that one only. Oracle partnered with this company, pearsonview.com, for conducting the certification exams on behalf of them. Either you can go here in the easiest way to apply the exam, or directly Oracle University also will be conducting the exams team. We have something called education.oracle.com. If you search with this team, education.oracle.com. From here also, you can go and you can book your exam team. Either you can come to View Pearson or you can go to education.oracle.com. Then you can go for certification and you can book your exam team. So prior to COVID team, exclusively this certification exam taken up in the physical premises team. We used to go to the nearest Pearson test center. We have to book the exam and we have to sit in that center and we used to write. But post-COVID, everything moved towards online, right? So now you can book your exam by sitting in your home at your convenient time and you can write the exam team. For applying the exam, we should go to this View Pearson website and then search with your examination name. Okay. Here you can go to online testing. Then you can search here your examination name with the code and all, create the account, book the available slot and write the exam. But it will be live monitored team. It's not something we can cheat easily. It is live monitored. Video monitoring will be happen team when you are applying for the online exam also. So what is the cost incurred and what is the examination pattern and what is the pass percentage for certification team? The examination pattern will be usually multiple choice questions team. The examination pattern will be usually multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions means what? Question A, B, C, D, 4 options. We have to write that answer team. Till 2022, completely multiple choice questions only we used to have team. But from last year, 2023, Oracle made their exam bit more complex team. Oracle made their exam bit more complex. Along with multiple choice questions team, some scenarios also asking in the exam. Scenario being given there and also Fusion application access given over there and asking you to configure that and show it. So practicality also involved in the certification nowadays from last year paper onwards team. So multiple choice questions will have 80 to 90% team, 10% scenarios also being asked team. For each module, depending upon the module team, the question size will be varied. If it is a core HR exam team, we have 85 to 90 questions approximately team. If it is an absence module, we used to have 45 to 50 questions because it's a small module. We used to have only 45 to 50 questions, but core HR is a big module. We used to have some bigger count. So module to module, the certification questions also will be differed team and negative marking is there. The pass percentage is 75% team. You should get 75% to get the examination cleared. When you are writing team, within half an hour, the result will generate after your examination when you are writing, whether you are pass or fail. What is the cost incurred team? For each module, Oracle charging somewhere around 23,000 INR, 23K plus applicable taxes team. I know this rate from 5,000 rupees, 7-8 years back team. But now for each module, Oracle conducting the exam with this cost around 22 or 23K summaries with all sum plus applicable taxes team. This is the cost that Oracle we have to pay in order to book the exam team. So if you are applying for an exam, if you are not clearing it, unfortunately you failed, this will not be refunded. No number of attempts, only one attempt you have to write, you have to clear it. So this is the certification process team. Don't be in the impression for entire application, we have one single certification team. No, for each module, Oracle will conduct the certification exam. So if anyone really want to write, choose any of the module that you are very strong enough and write that team. And validation of that certificate, every year the paper will update team. The validation officially Oracle giving is 18 months. Let's suppose if I write the exam now in the month of October 2024, that will be valid for 18 months. That is the actual official time period Oracle given. But usually no one will care about that. Whether you are certified or not, when you are updating in the resume or the jobs, they will look at whether it is 24 paper, 23 paper or 22 paper. That extent people will not consider team. But officially the validity is for 18 months team. Now the most important question. Kumar, okay, process you are telling fine, but is it really required for us? Absolutely a big no. Absolutely a big no. Particularly in India, I'm talking about team. In US, in Canada or in UK, in other countries, people from other countries, their companies might be fascinated towards certifications team. They will be in the assumption that if you clear the certification, you are worth enough or you are highly talented. But the thing is, many people will manipulate and they will get the certification, even though know that, but as a policy they are following. But as far as India is concerned, team, certification is not mandatory in this technology. Companies not recruiting the candidate based on your certification. Okay. When they might be required team, once you join the organization team, sometimes the client that whom you will be deployed for, the client might be interested towards the certifications team. Whoever the consultants working in his project, they should be certified professionals like that. During that time, your project manager might ask you to complete the certification for any module. But other than that, in the recruitment time, when you are dropping the resume in the Naukri, LinkedIn, or any job portal, no HR will look at whether you are a certified specialist or not. Hardly we can count in fingers whoever completed the certifications in this domain team. So if you get certified, if you are not giving a good interview, they won't select. Ultimately, how we are presenting ourselves in the interview is the point they will look at team. Certification, no company will look as a criteria. So don't get into these difficulties in the initial phases. Learn the subject, drop the resume, get the calls, and give your best in the interviews. That's all. Clearing the certification, wasting the money, I don't suggest team. Once you get into the company, as such project requirement is there, you have to do, then you can think about it team. During that time, you don't need to pay. Your company will pay on behalf of you the certification exam. And currently, people who are in this class today, if you are already working in any IT company, you are switching your domain, check with your project manager's team. Company will give free coupons to you for these examinations to clear. Okay. So you can get that done at the later part of life. Now it is not required team. Okay. But this is the certification process that we have in the Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. So the first two concepts for the day, introducing to you Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process, we have seen team. Now, let me introduce to you the Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. When any company buy this product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day HR operations team, how the applications will be delivered. I was telling you yesterday team, Fusion HCM Cloud application. What I mean by cloud here team? Cloud means what? How the application will be delivered team. Let me tell you. Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, right? So our Fusion applications are completely working on a cloud-based technology team. What is that? Cloud-based technology team. This Excels will be shared to you. No need to make a notes of it. Every notes of the class will be given to you as a soft copy. So I suggest 1 hour of class, please focus and go through it. Don't write it parallelly when the session is going on. You will be missing main key points in the session team. Okay. Our Fusion applications are working on a cloud-based technology. What do you mean by cloud team? A software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. If I want to access my Gmail team, what I will do, I will go to just my Google Chrome. I will type as Gmail. Then user ID and password I will give, and I could able to enter into my Gmail inbox team. Or I want to access my Facebook. What I will do? Am I running any software in my laptop? Am I installing any application in my laptop? No. Just I'm going to internet, typing facebook.com, and I'm entering into that Facebook application team, right? Means what? Applications are hosted over the internet. No physical involvement. No need to install any application in your laptop or in your desktop and you no need to run it in the system. Completely in the form of web link, url.com, the application will be delivered, right? So Fusion applications are also team completely working on a cloud-based technology. When any company buy this product, for example, team, let's assume Tata Group, okay? Tata Group is example I'm taking, team. Now Tata bought the product from Oracle team, okay? From Oracle Corporation, because Fusion applications are owned by Oracle company, okay? Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle. Now let's say we are the implementation partners for Tata Group. Let's assume example I'm taking Infosys, okay, or Wipro, Deloitte, TCS, anything you take, team. So this is the implementation partner team, consulting company, okay. So Tata purchased the product from Oracle, and Tata given the project to Infosys to configure the system according to their business requirement. So Infosys is going to be the implementation partner, for example, team. So we will be working here. When our company gets the project, we will be deployed for that client project team. Okay. Now, when Tata buy the product from Oracle team, for example, Tata is the client or the customer, how the application will deliver, just like this, just like this. This is Fusion applications team. Just URL. This is Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. If I take this URL and if I open any of my browsers and if I paste it and if I search, now see the page is loading and what it is running upon? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. User ID and password is there, team. So if I give my user ID and password, okay, I'm giving my user ID and password, team. And if I click on sign in, now see, I could able to enter into the Fusion Cloud Applications team. This is what our Fusion Application Access team. No need to install the software anywhere in our laptop, anywhere in our desktop. No need to maintain any server by the client or the customer. No need to maintain any security, nothing. The company can buy the product and they can start using it directly, team. This is our Fusion applications. Just in the form of URL, the application will be delivered. We have user ID and password to log into that team. We require an account to log into that team. That's all. Before getting into the application details team, let me introduce to you the most important jargons. Jargons means terminologies team. Because when we are working in the real time, if it is a fresher, okay, you might be getting an opportunity to interact with the team, learning it from scratch. But what about the experienced people? Some of you might be manipulating the experiences and you might be applying for the jobs. When you get into that company, you should be familiar with the terminologies team. What will be used in the real time? Okay. What are the different names that we can call our Fusion applications team? What are the different names or the terminologies that we will be using to call Fusion applications in real-time team? Let me list out. In our regular layman English, if you ask me, we can call it as URL or you can call it as link. Okay, URL or link. These are regular day-to-day friendly language. If you ask me, these wordings we will use team. URL, link, but the actual professional terminology that Oracle referring their Fusion applications as, we have to call it as environment or instance, server, okay, environment, instance, server, tenant, or pod, POD, platform on demand. So these are the official terminologies that we have to use in the real-time companies when we are working. We should not call, let's say from a colleague, you want to get a client access team. Let's say, hey, can you please give the link? Can you please give the URL? That doesn't looks good team. When you are working in a real-time company, you should call our Fusion application. You have to refer. Everyone will have a name, right? My name is Kumar. If someone call me Kumar, I will react, right? So we should refer Fusion applications as environment, server, instance, tenant, or POD, platform on demand. These are the different names we have to call. Even yesterday, when I'm explaining you the course features and the offerings team, what I kept here, access to private and public cloud instances I called here. Instances means that only team. Instances means I'm referring the Fusion application team. Okay. So these are the terminologies that we have to use in the real-time projects team. Okay. Now, one more important thing I will tell you, team. Whenever we are working in the real-time companies team, sometimes you might be in a situation where you have to work for multiple clients. For example, team, you got offer in Infosys in this Oracle HCM Cloud application. You deployed for multiple projects for Tata and also for Cisco, another client. Sometimes these companies will make us to work for multiple projects, typically in support projects team, not in implementation. When you're in support projects, you might be having a chance to ask to work for multiple projects team. During that time, how you can know which client application is what? It is in the form of URL, right team? So for example, I have two clients. One is client A and client B. Okay, client A and client B. For two clients, I am working team in the real-time project. How I can differentiate the URL team? See, customer to customer. After HTTPS login, we have some 4 characters coming up. See team, ESEV. This we call it as pod number team, POD number, platform on demand number team. That 4. Kumar, that is in character format. You are calling it in number. That will be like that only team. Even Oracle calling it as pod number, but though they are in character format team. Company to company, when Oracle selling the product, these 4 characters will be differentiated team. For company A, if this is the application team, okay, for other client, the difference will be here team. So in the place of ESEV, they might have something like HGDR. Okay. If for other company, when Oracle selling team, okay, let's say client C is there. Client C is there. For them, the change will be like this team. They might have something, any numbering you can take team, QASR something team. So client to client in their URL, in their environment, these 4 characters differences you will be noticing. It is a unique pod number which will be given team, because Oracle selling the product to thousands of companies in the market. So client to client team, we can identify the pod with these 4 characters team. So when we are going to give the instance for practicing, tomorrow we are going to share that to all the participants who ever enrolled and added into the WhatsApp group team. Environment access I'm going to share. During that time also, you can able to experience team. 2 environments I told, right? Public environment and private environment. The 4 characters, 4 character pod number will be differentiated team. So when you are working in the real time, these 4 characters should be our point of eye. Our eye should go there. Which client application is this? Like that team. So these 4 characters will be differed. And team, this application, what I am using, at the end, I'm having something called Oracle Demos.com. This is for training purpose team. For conducting the trainings and all, Oracle will be giving the demo instances team. We've been associated or partnered. I have that demo access team. So you will be seeing at the end coming as Oracle Demos.com. But in real time, you will see your client applications as Oracle.com team. And even this FA demo, this also will not be there. Just the URL looks like this team. Okay. Login, 4 characters pod number, then fa.oracle.com at the end. So in real time, the URL will end with oracle.com. But our instance or the application is demo instance team. For conducting the trainings and all, Oracle will be giving these things, right? Training environments you can expect like this. But in real time, when you are working, you will be having the application like this. After 4 characters pod number, you will have some code team again, something like DSFA. That designates team. This application is hosted in which data center. Oracle having their data centers across the world. In Asia, they have, in America, they have, in European countries, they have data centers team. In Dubai, UAE, they have team. So our client application hosted or maintained from which data center, the data center code they embed. But that is not required for us. It's not our cup of soup to learn also. Just for your information, I'm telling. For some technical people, they might require this. That's why I'm telling team in the class. So these are the different names that we can refer our Fusion applications team. Okay. Okay. And then this 4 characters pod number will be differed from client to client in the real time. And within this team, whenever we working in the project, we will be coming across production environment, development environment, test environment like that. But they are too early to discuss now. Let us start with the course team. When I'm going to take the workshop session, I told you, right? The implementation methodology, the workshop session. Here I'm going to explain you team. What is implementation project? What is support project? What is testing project? During that time, I will be explaining you about team. What are the different environments we will be working on? Production means what? Test means what? Development means what? So as of now, as we are in the beginning stage, I want everyone to have the knowledge till this extent. Okay. So what are the different names that we can refer Fusion application and how the pod number will be differed from client to client when Oracle selling their product, right? Now, let us see the Fusion applications UI, user interface team. How the look and feel, what are the basic home screen features we have team. So as I told you team, this is my Fusion application team. Let me come from beginning. When I pass my URL, it will be prompting me to this page. We have seen already, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So I have the user ID and password team. In next session, we are going to see that only. The very first topic that I'm going to start from the next session will be security team. In this security concept, I'm going to tell you how the user account creation will happen when we go for the project, how the user accounts to our team will be given by the client. That all we will see team. As of now, let me log in into the system and let me show you the basic home screen features in the Fusion application. Okay. So you have to pass your user ID and password team. And then like every other application in the market, even Facebook, if you're logging in also, if you forgot the password, you have the option, right? Forgot password. You can click on forgot password and you can pass your details team. So when every user account created team, email details we will provide. So we have to pass that email and we have to choose whether we forgot the username or password, select our option and submit team. To this email, system will send the password reset link or username link team. and you can able to reset your password and you can log in. Like our Facebook, Gmail, if we forgot our password, we have other options to request, correct? Similarly, here also we have that team. Then, then one more important point I want to tell you, team. Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications, team, because Oracle having market across the globe means the customers or the companies who using the Fusion applications are across the globe, team. In US they have, in UK, Canada, Australia, in Middle East countries, that Arab countries like UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Oman, or India, you take China, Pakistan, everywhere clients are their team. To give more local experience, team, Oracle supporting multi-language experience to their application team. How you know? When you are signing in, you can select your language team, how you want the Fusion application. See, if you're using a mobile, we can change the language, right? To our traditional Hindi, Telugu, Tamil languages. And the entire phone, mobile UI will change to that language. Similarly, for Fusion applications also, whenever you logging in, you can select your language team. Let's say I'm from Japan. I'm using it. Let's say if I choose Japanese team, see the application language changed. See everywhere Japanese came team. See, or if I'm from Saudi Arabia, I want my application to be in Arabic. See, in Arabic, it will be from right to left. Their language will be. See, everything got changed to Arabic. If I sign in, the application will be in Arabic team. So while you logging in, you can select your language and you can sign in. That will not impact all the users team, only for your login. Only to you, the look and feel will be changed according to that team. So you can select that and you can click on sign in. Once you click on sign in team, you will be landing upon the Fusion applications home screen. This is the Fusion applications main home screen team. We could able to see several icons here. See, good evening, my username, hcm.october, OCT, whatever the username I have given team, right? And then we have different sections coming up team. Me, my client group, my, help desk, product management. So team, when you log in, this is the home screen team. And this entire section, whatever we are seeing here, these all icons and all, we call it as springboard in the system. What is that team? This entire section, we call it as springboard in the system team. Whatever the sections that we have, me is one section. Under that, we have again sub icons available team. Under me, personal information, connections, journeys, pay, time and absence, right team? And if I go to my client group, if I select that section team, I have different sections, subsections coming under that. Each section in the tile you are seeing here team, many more. If I click on right towards the right arrow team, many more tiles coming up to me here. Each section in the springboard, we call these as functional areas. What are they? Each section, these are very basics and very important to learn. When you are learning something, directly if I jump into the system and if I show the configuration, that doesn't serve the purpose of your team. We should know from very basics, fundamentals onwards. That's why I'm telling all these things. So each and every functional area, each and every section that we are seeing in the springboard, we call them as functional areas. And under each functional area, my client group I selected. I have hiring, journeys, new person. Each option we have under a functional area, we call them as sub-functional areas in the system. Each option that we are seeing under a functional area, we call it as sub-functional area in the system team. Okay, sub-functional area in the system team. See, whatever we are seeing here in the horizontal alignment, On the left-hand side, we have three lines team. Please look at my pointer cursor. On the left-hand side, three lines are there. This is called as navigator team. If I click on that, a bar will open towards the right, from left to right team. Whatever we are seeing, the functional areas and the sub-functional areas in the Springboard, we can have a look at here also team. See, if I click on the navigator, a bar open to me towards the right. We have team, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. So whatever I have team, let's say sales is there, workspace, activities, deal registration, right? So if I click on the navigator team, if I expand that sales section, see same sub-functional areas team, workspace, activities, deal registration. Then if I come to my client group, whatever sub-functional areas I have here, if I go to navigator team, let me close it. Let me come to my client group, expand, see, hiring, journeys, new person, person management, person spotlight, absence, same things. So team, either you can access these all functionalities from the Springboard, or even from the navigator also you can able to access team. So this area we call as navigator, and this area we call as Springboard in the system team. Okay. And then we have some icons here. What are these team? We have a home button. See, even if you're using a mobile, you be on any screen. If you click on a home button, what happens team? You will come and land upon to the main home screen. Similarly, this Fusion applications also like that. You be on any screen. For example, I'm going to my client group, new person. Okay. Team maximum more 10 minutes. We'll conclude for today. Okay. My client group, new person. And I'm into some screen team. Let's say hire an employee. If HR want to hire an employee team in core HR module, these all are, we're going to see. HR will go here team for hiring a new employee in the system. Be on any screen. If you want to go back to the main home screen, click on home button team. That's all. Click on home button team. What happened? My screen is loading. Now I came back to the home screen. So this is home button team. Then we have favorites and recent items. What do you mean by this favorites and recent items team? See, if you are using a Google Chrome, you have a bookmarking concept, right team? Star button. This URL, if you want to bookmark, you can bookmark this. Similarly, within Fusion system, any screen, if you want to make it as your favorite team, you can go to this star and you can add as a favorite. For example, team, we configured the system, we hand over to the client. So the client said HR people started using team every day. So let's say team, the common work for a HR person in the organization team, every day he will come to my client group, this new person sub-functional area, and he will be hiring the employees, whoever recruited for that day team. So I can add this task as a favorite to him. Like how you know, come to the task, be on the task, go to star button, okay, come to favorites and team, click on add to favorites team. So hire an employee. You can create a folder and you can group all your favorites under that. Folder name I'm giving like my daily routine tasks. Okay, save. Now this hire an employee, I'm saving as a favorite team here. Now see, the very next day, when a person come in morning and his duty is to go to my client group, go to new person, hire an employee. Rather than navigating to three screens team, simply if you come to favorites, in his favorites, the folder added my daily routine task, hire an employee. If he click on that team, he can directly go to the task. See, 3 steps reduce it to 1 step. So favorite items means that one team. You can list out what are the most frequent used tasks every day, and you can add as your favorites here team. Then recent items. In our Google Chrome also, we have a history button. Recently, what browsing we have done, what websites we have navigated to. We have the search history button, right? Similarly, within the Fusion application, what are the recent screens that we navigated? See, just now I came from hire an employee. Prior to that also, I went to hire an employee. Prior to that, new person. Then what are the recent transactions or the configurations I have navigated in the system? I can check it out, team. See, this is history button within the Fusion application for the user team. So favorites and recent items button is this. Then we have watch list button here. This is not related to HCM team. When a client buy the product from Oracle, not only HCM team, if client also want to use Oracle Fusion Financials, Supply Chain, PPM, within the same application only, all features will be delivered team. So this is related to financial supply chain, that product area. We are not going to deal with this team, you can ignore. Then we have bell icon. What is this team? Yesterday, when I'm introducing to you the modules, I told you we have something called workflows and approvals team. Like for every module, any transactions happening, if client expecting to have an approval flow, means team, my client is telling Kumar in absence module, when any employee apply the leave, it should go for manager approval. Or whenever HR hiring an employee, Kumar, it should go to HR manager's approval. So we have an approval management concept team. So when a managerial cadre person or when a HR person login team, if any approvals triggered to him, they can check out in the bell icon here. Mine is a training user login team, nothing is there, but usually all the notifications will come here. Managers can see and they can approve team. Okay. Okay. Right. And then team, if you come to the right side settings and action team, your username here is there. If you click on that team, if you want to sign out from the application, you can go to sign out team here. Okay. Every day after the log off, in end of the day, if an employee want to log out, he can click on sign out team. He will be logging out. Then we have some other functionalities here, team. In the upcoming classes, I will be talking about what all these functionalities. Before closing, team, I want to tell you this one. If you want to check out what is the latest release of the Fusion application team, you can go here at the bottom about this application team. If you click on, you can able to check out. Yesterday, I was showing you some other environment team that was in 24C. But see, this is the actual environment we will be using team 24D, the latest upgrade that happened in the system. 4th quarterly upgrade in this year, 24D. You can check it out from here, team. So this is what the basic home screen features in the Fusion application team. In the upcoming classes, we will be talking about the rest of the functionalities. What are all these things, team? Okay. So the next topic that we are going to start in the next class, team, that will be security administration. Any project implementation you go in real time, the first concept that we will be working on will be user creation team. So our training also will start from the security administration team. In tomorrow's class, I am going to start with security administration in the system. Okay. So yesterday and today we had the complete in and out basic understanding about the Fusion application team. From tomorrow, we are going to start with our actual topic in the system. The very first topic that I will be starting, security. Post that, we will be going into core HR, absence, payroll, like that team. For every module, this Excel will be their team. Even this also will be shared to you. For every module, all the implementation tasks, let's say core HR is there. What all configurations we have to do in the core HR module. And after that, what all transactions that end users will be doing. So we are going to see the training from both the perspectives, team. First, we configure the system, and then once we hand over the system to the client in their day-to-day life, in each module, what all transactions that they will be performing team. So for every module, we will be having this Excel sheet. This is for core HR. Then this is for absence management team. What all configurations we have in absence. Then what are the transactions in that? Then payroll. What are all the configurations we have and their task names team to configure them. What is the task name in the system to search for? So this Excel also will be shared to every one of you in real time also. This Excel will be a guide to you. You can call it as Bible or whatever it is, team. It will be the savior for you. For every module, what setups do you have to configure? We have listed out very clearly in the very sequential order, team. So we'll be starting the next topic with the security and we'll go ahead, team. Okay. So any questions as such in today's session, online people? Before getting into the questions, team, anyone not yet enrolled, team, please confirm the enrollment. The Google form already been shared today also with in the message team, the admin team sharing. Again, Verma, can you please share that Google form? If anyone not yet reached us for the enrollment, please fill out the Google form, team. Today will be the last day that we are closing the enrollments. From tomorrow, the regular classes will be starting, team. Only the meeting link will be shared in the WhatsApp group only. Whoever added into the WhatsApp group, probably maximum people are added to the WhatsApp group today. Tomorrow onwards, the meeting link will come only in the WhatsApp group. No individual message with respective to the class link will be shared. So anyone yet to confirm, please do confirm the registrations team so that our team will be sharing you the portal access and also adding you in the WhatsApp group. Every one of you, whoever enrolled, please check your email inboxes, team, whatever the email ID that you have provided to us. And I also request to check the spam folder also, team, because for some of the people we observed email landing up in the spam folder in your email inbox, team. Please check it out. Whoever enrolled before the class, for everyone, we created the access to the portal, team. I told, right? Every day, the classes will upload in the portal. As it is day one, we shared the YouTube link. Probably today also admin might share, I think. But from tomorrow sessions, you will be able to find only in the website. So log in with your credentials and access your session. Some of you getting confused. Don't go to e-learn. Go to live classes login. You are attending the live classes, right? Then you should go to live classes login. Pass your credentials, team. And then you could able to see your course access here. Come to enrolled course. You will see your course, team. For October batch you are in. So October batch you can able to see here. So everyday sessions, you don't need to wait for the YouTube link or something. Session will upload into the portal, team. You can able to practice it. Fusion server access yet to be shared. By tomorrow morning, I will be sharing that, team, because we have not yet started anything. I have not shared it today. Probably tomorrow, I'm going to share that also, team. Materials, class by class, I'm going to explain that and I will share that to you, team. Okay. So now, any questions in today's topic, team? You can please unmute and you can ask me.
Hey, Kumar, I have a question about your course notes.
Yes,
will they be shared through the portal or like through email?
Murtaz, I think you got email afternoon. I have seen that your email triggering, I mean, when admin creating the access to you. Please check it out in the spam folder also once.
Okay.
Okay. And person by name OnePlus. Any question? You unmuted? So today's topic is clear to everyone, team, or any doubts in repository, in certification process, or basic intro to the Fusion application, what we discussed. Any questions in today's topic? Or are we good to conclude the topic for today?
Is the training materials also being provided?
Will be provided. As I shown this drive link, this will be given to you.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Kumar.
I'll update Amar on that. Yet to be decided. Actually, I'll update on that. Okay. So apart of that, any questions, team? Can I assume session is clear to everyone? Don't hesitate asking the questions. Every day at the end of the class, any questions with respect to the topic, let's have a discussion and close it up there only. If you carry the doubt with you, that will continue and disrupt your entire flow team. Okay. So if no
Hello?
questions, then I will conclude. Yes, Shravanti?
Yes, sir. Actually, I completed my. Actually, I'm a MBA completed student, HR student. So
Acha.
I'm planning to come to this IT. So I don't want to be going the coding part. So I already trained with the Workday. I
It's
completed the training on Workday HCM.
okay.
Yes, sir. Workday HCM. So after that, my husband is he's working on a Oracle app technical consultant.
Acha, acha.
He's a technical consultant.
Okay, okay.
Actually, I'm interested on Workday, but he's suggesting that there is a no coding part, as you already
Exactly, exactly.
mentioned in your brochure.
Demo one. Yeah.
Demo link. So he's suggesting that to attend the demo. I can correlate some topics with your demo, sir.
I understood, Shravanti. Let me answer you. See, basically, both are ERP applications only, Oracle or Workday. Not only for Shravanti, many of you might have this doubt. Which one is better to go?
Hmm.
Both are ERP applications. Both are
Hmm.
into HR services only. I mean to say multiple other tools also there, but let's talk about HCM, HR. But compared to Workday, in Oracle Fusion, the coding part is zero. But in Workday, we have some technicality involved. That is one point. Secondly, companies looking at certifications mandatory in Workday because Workday came very recently in the market. I mean that the background, if you go, people who are from PeopleSoft, when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, that owners only came out and they started Workday. So they started that as a subline product for Oracle Fusion applications. Okay. So we can't compete now Fusion with Workday because Fusion is much ahead in the race compared to Workday. From the point of openings, if you see also, Workday concentrated towards US market alone, but Oracle expanded their wings throughout the globe. Across the globe, they have the utilization of Oracle Fusion application. Opportunities wise, if you see, when you are applying for a job, calls wise, if you see, Oracle is much ahead compared to Workday. We can expect in next 5-8 years, Workday also might grab that market. But one problem here is Oracle is something which is penetrating for every customer. But Workday positioning themselves as a premium product and they will be selling only to the premium companies or customers in the market. So opportunities wise, if you see getting a calls and all, Oracle consultant will easily get a job or easily get a call first of all when you drop the resume than Workday. And certification part, they are mandatorily looking in Workday. But in Oracle, we don't have that headache. Considering all these points, your husband might be insisted to go to Oracle. As such, his area also from Oracle, he knows the market well, right? So he might be insisted. Definitely,
So
the
how
competitive
will
edge
be
is there
the
for Oracle.
sorry? How will be the difficult level of the course? Is it similar? I mean, is it easy? I just assume that. I mean, I just
Learning
think that coding
perspective,
part is not there in Workday when
see,
compared to Oracle
yesterday's
because
session,
base of
if you
the
attended,
okay.
yesterday's session, if you attended, that question might get addressed to you. In Fusion system, across the modules, if you take, we don't have anywhere coding. I told you only in this BIP report area only, we have the SQL prerequisite. Rest
Okay,
of
fine.
all,
We are learning only, I mean, without coding part. Is there um, anything will be like you
nothing,
have to
madam,
be had some knowledge on basic coding things?
nothing. It's not required to you in this role.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Thank you.
right. Thank you. Thank you. So right team, then I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back
Yeah,
tomorrow.
Kumar,
Continue.
last
Yes,
question. Kumar,
Banu.
this is Banu here. ORC, would you be covering? I have seen that 5 modules. I understand. I clearly got what you are going to cover. But will you be able to cover ORC also?
ORC in this program we are not covering, but we have a separate course for that. ORC with combination of core HR. There is another batch going on for that because ORC is a big module. ORC alone will take 35 to 40 hours of duration. So we are
Oh.
not clubbing ORC with HCM. As a separate course, we are offering that.
Okay, because if I see all the talent management or compensation and all these things are very small modules.
And not small modules, but
I
ORC is a
understand.
module. Yeah.
Yeah, as I understand, because I'm into the same field now, HCM.
Yeah.
So how do
That is a
we?
different offering we have. If you want, you can try it after this program. But only learning ORC will not be a good decision because that is only one.
Apart from those 5 modules, I was asking about ORC.
Yeah.
What is the batch timing?
8 to 9 every day.
PM.
PM, 8 to 9 PM, the same time that the class that
Okay.
what we connected yesterday and today, the same
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Kumar, this is Narendra.
Yes, Narendra.
Yeah, Kumar, I just want to talk to you regarding placements. Can I talk to you personally regarding that?
You can please call me directly. No problem. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow I can call you, right?
Tomorrow you can call me.
Okay,
Yeah.
then, thank you.
Right, team, then we'll conclude here for today. Thank you everyone for joining, team. So please complete your enrollments. The offer will be valid only till today, that which I mentioned yesterday, team. So please complete. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue, team. Thank you everyone. Good night, team.